Welcome to our exciting journey through India, a land of vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and rich history. In this video, we'll explore the 10 best places to visit in India, each offering a unique glimpse into the country's incredible diversity. From the majestic mountains of the Himalayas to the serene backwaters of Kerala, we'll uncover hidden gems and iconic landmarks that showcase India's beauty. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first trip, this guide will inspire you to discover the wonders of this incredible nation. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to embark on an adventure that highlights the breathtaking sights and experiences waiting for you in India. Let's dive in and explore these must-visit destinations together. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra. The Taj Mahal, an iconic UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a breathtaking symbol of love and devotion. Built in the 17th century by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, its stunning white marble architecture features intricate carvings and beautiful gardens that captivate millions of visitors each year. The best time to visit is between October and March when the weather is pleasant. Nearby attractions include the Agra Fort and the bustling markets of Agra, perfect for immersing yourself in local culture. Did you know that it took over 20 years to complete the Taj Mahal? With its mesmerizing beauty and rich history, this architectural marvel continues to inspire awe and admiration, making it a must-see destination in India. 2. Jaipur, Rajasthan. Welcome to Jaipur, famously known as the Pink City, where vibrant culture meets rich history and royal heritage. Founded in the 18th century by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II, Jaipur is adorned with stunning palaces and forts that tell tales of its regal past. Key attractions include the Hawa Mahal, with its intricate latticework, and the majestic Amber Fort, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Don't miss the chance to savor local cuisine, such as the delectable dal bati churma and spicy gatte ki sabzi, which reflect the flavors of Rajasthan. For a true Jaipur experience, explore the bustling bazaars like Johari Bazaar and Bapu Bazaar, where you can shop for traditional handicrafts, jewelry, and textiles. Jaipur promises an unforgettable blend of history, culture, and culinary delights. 3. Kerala Backwaters. Welcome to the serene backwaters of Kerala, a unique ecosystem that offers a tranquil escape into nature's embrace. Imagine gliding along the calm waters on a traditional houseboat, surrounded by lush greenery, coconut palms, and charming villages. This experience not only allows you to soak in the breathtaking scenery but also provides a glimpse into the rich local culture, where you can witness traditional fishing practices and vibrant village life. The best time to visit is from October to March, when the weather is pleasant and ideal for exploration. The backwaters are home to diverse flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature lovers and bird watchers. With its stunning landscapes and peaceful ambience, Kerala's backwaters promise an unforgettable journey into the heart of this enchanting region. 4. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Welcome to Varanasi, one of the oldest cities in the world and a profound spiritual hub in India. Nestled along the sacred Ganges River, the city is famous for its ghats, where pilgrims gather to perform rituals, bathe, and seek blessings. Each ghat has its own significance, with the Dashashwamedh Ghat being particularly renowned for the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti, a nightly ceremony that illuminates the river with lamps and chants, creating a magical atmosphere. Varanasi is steeped in history and religious importance, revered by Hindus as a place for liberation and spiritual awakening. The city's narrow winding streets are filled with temples, ashrams, and vibrant markets, offering a rich tapestry of cultural experiences. A visit to Varanasi is not just a journey through time but a deep dive into the essence of spirituality. 5. Goa. Welcome to Goa, a tropical paradise known for its stunning beaches and vibrant nightlife. With a diverse range of activities, you can indulge in thrilling water sports like parasailing, jet skiing, and scuba diving, or simply relax on the sun-kissed sands with a refreshing drink in hand. Goa's unique blend of Indian and Portuguese cultures is evident in its architecture, festivals, and culinary delights. Don't miss the chance to explore popular beaches like Baga, Anjuna, and Palo Leme, each offering its own charm and atmosphere. While you're here, savor local cuisine such as spicy Goan fish curry, vindaloo, and the famous bebinka dessert. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, Goa promises an unforgettable experience filled with sun, sea, and rich cultural heritage. 6. Ladakh. Welcome to Ladakh, a land of breathtaking landscapes and adventure opportunities that will leave you in awe. Nestled in the northernmost region of India, Ladakh is renowned for its stunning mountains, serene monasteries, and crystal-clear lakes like Pangong Tso and Tso Moriri. Adventure enthusiasts can explore exhilarating trekking and biking routes, such as the Markha Valley Trek and the famous Leh-Manali Highway, offering thrilling experiences amidst spectacular scenery. The unique culture of Ladakh is deeply rooted in its Buddhist heritage, with vibrant festivals like Hemis and Losar showcasing traditional music, dance, and colorful attire. As you immerse yourself in this enchanting region, you'll discover a harmonious blend of natural beauty and rich cultural experiences that make Ladakh a must-visit destination for every traveler seeking adventure and tranquility. 7. Mysore, Karnataka. Welcome to Mysore, a city that beautifully showcases royal heritage and architectural marvels. At the heart of Mysore lies the magnificent Mysore Palace, an exquisite example of Indo-Saracenic architecture, adorned with intricate carvings and stunning stained glass. This grand palace has a rich history, serving as the residence of the Awadhya dynasty. One of the highlights of visiting Mysore is experiencing the famous Mysore Dashahara festival, a vibrant celebration featuring processions, cultural performances, and the iconic Mysore Dashahara procession, which attracts visitors from all over. While in the city, don't miss the chance to indulge in local delicacies like Mysore Pak and filter coffee. Additionally, Mysore is renowned for its silk saris, making it a perfect destination for shopping enthusiasts looking to take home a piece of this royal legacy. 8. Rishikesh, Uttarakhand. Welcome to Rishikesh, often hailed as the yoga capital of the world and a vibrant adventure hub. This serene town, nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, offers a plethora of yoga retreats and spiritual experiences, attracting seekers from around the globe. You can immerse yourself in daily yoga sessions, meditation workshops, and ancient practices that promote inner peace and well-being. For adventure enthusiasts, Rishikesh is a playground, offering thrilling activities like river rafting on the Ganges and trekking through picturesque trails that showcase the region's natural beauty. The tranquil banks of the Ganges provide a stunning backdrop, where you can relax and rejuvenate while enjoying the soothing sounds of flowing water. With its unique blend of spirituality and adventure, Rishikesh promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. 9. Hampi, Karnataka. Welcome to Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that boasts ancient ruins and remarkable historical significance. Once the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, Hampi is renowned for its stunning temples, including the iconic Virupaksha temple and the intricately carved Vithala temple, which showcase the architectural brilliance of the era. The unique boulder-strewn landscape adds to Hampi's charm, creating a surreal backdrop that captivates visitors. As you explore this ancient city, you'll encounter vibrant cultural experiences, from traditional dance performances to local crafts. Hampi also hosts lively festivals like the Hampi Utsav, where you can immerse yourself in the region's rich heritage through music, dance, and art. With its fascinating history and breathtaking scenery, Hampi offers a journey back in time that every traveler should experience. 10. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Welcome to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a tropical paradise known for its pristine beaches and vibrant marine life. These islands offer a plethora of activities for adventure enthusiasts, with snorkeling and scuba diving being among the best ways to explore the stunning underwater world. Dive into crystal clear waters to discover colorful coral reefs and diverse marine species, making it a haven for nature lovers. The unique flora and fauna of the islands, including rare species like the Nicobar pigeon, add to their ecological significance. Beyond adventure, the serene environment of the Andaman Islands provides ample opportunities for relaxation, whether lounging on the soft sands of Radhanagar beach or enjoying a peaceful sunset at Neil Island. With its breathtaking beauty and tranquil atmosphere, the Andaman Islands promise an unforgettable escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. In this video, we have taken you on a journey through some of India's most captivating destinations, showcasing the incredible diversity and beauty that each place has to offer. From the iconic Taj Mahal in Agra to the serene backwaters of Kerala, and the vibrant culture of Jaipur to the breathtaking landscapes of Ladakh, each location promises a unique experience. We encourage you to explore these remarkable destinations for yourself, as they hold unforgettable memories waiting to be made. If you enjoyed this travel guide, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more engaging content to inspire your future adventures. Thank you for joining us, and happy travels!